Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we're going to show you can make yourself summer salad. Don't know, the time is hot, and through the weather is like this, you don't need something really hot to go with the hot time. You need something simple, very effective, like a nice lovely salad at home. Guys, enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Remember, get a copy of my cooking book. It's very important for you, and you can share it with your friend, with your neighbor, with your co-worker, with your manager, and even with your friend. So guys, thank you so much for watching the cooking program. Enjoy the salad recipe today from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye. I love that. As you can basically gonna see right here, I got cucumber and some salad, but there's a secret right here which I want to share with you guys. Basically over here I have two sachets which I did earlier, but them a little bit cold now. So when we are doing a salad, you know what I mean, you don't want anything to be hot. You can have a piece of chicken, a piece of cold chicken, or sachets, or some fish, whatever you like you can have. But I'm right over here, as I'm saying, I'm just gonna make you a nice lovely salad, guys, which can go with the beautiful lovely sachets right here. This is some pork sachets, guys, and did them in the oven and get them to cool. So you can go to any local shop and buy some pork sachets, put it in the oven for 20 minutes and gas mark 6 or 7, or if you're using a different oven, 175 is good for it for 20 minutes in your oven, or 15 minutes if not, depends on the kind of oven you're using. So anyway, look how we're gonna make you a lovely summer salad with sachets. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much from Chef Ricardo. Lovely and nice. So basically right here is the two sachets right here, guys. As you can see, they are looking so lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do, basically, I went to the shop and I get some ketchup and some salad cream. So if I did this first, the simple basically say I'm gonna put on a little bit of ketchup on this, like this. Alright, that's the first thing we're gonna do. Then basically salad cream. Lovely. At the side. Just put it at the side. The secret which right here I have inside of this, you can see I got 2 pieces of ice to keep my salad really cold and nice. I got some peppers and some cherry tomato and some sweet corn and also some carrot and some mixed leaf. So basically if I go down inside of it just like this and simple to stack up a little portion of my salad like this, guys. Not too much, just a little portion, because I'm gonna have it with my, then if I, with most Jamaican normally do, I'll give you a little secret with most Jamaican normally do. They normally use a fork and simple mark down the cucumber like this. You can do the same thing at home, but be careful when you're using your fork, please, guys. Then they simple cut their cucumber. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, when you cut your cucumber, you will see you have a nice little look at the side. Put back that right there. Lovely and nice. So as you can see, this is just looking so lovely and fantastic. I just cut my cherry tomato then into half, because it's summer and the time is so hot. You don't want to come home and have to go do some chicken or, you know what I mean, curry goat. No, you need something very simple and effective like this. A nice simple little salad, guys, as you can see right there, looking so lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the YouTube channel. We got a lot more recipe like this coming out for you for the summer. You don't have to put, you can put a lot more stuff whatever you like on your salad, but I just like my little salad to be simple like this. So enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program. Bye bye.